Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video about WordPress. In this video I will show you how you can actually add anchor links in your blogs in WordPress. So first of all, make sure that you have your WordPress open just like me and go to your dashboard. You have two kinds of dashboard. There is this dashboard, which is this one, and there is the old dashboard, which is like this one. I'm used to work with this new dashboard, so I will keep using it for now. Now for you guys, I will show you in both dashboards, so there is no problem. Now first of all, go to your dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin or wp-admin and put your username and password. After that, it will be open for you like that. Go to posts, I'll post, and let's add a new post from here. Now let's add our text somewhere here, and let's add something like that. Sorry guys for the noise. Let's keep adding it. Okay, here we put Tim and Jana, something like that. We paste it in here and we click on publish again, and here we go. Now what you have to do is let's view our post, and as you can see here how it looks like. For example, we want this, oh yeah, to be directing us to somewhere else, to another website, to I don't know, whatever it is. So what you have to do is go to your dashboard again, posts, edit this post, and from here guys, for example this one, all of it, select it, and then click on this icon in here, put the website that you wanted to go to, for example youtube.com, and click on this apply. So now if we click on update and we preview our page, here we go, we click on it and it will redirect us to where we put like what website we actually added to the link. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually add an anchor link to your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.